So solve dy dx minus y equals to x. Now this is one of the linear equations that they require to be solved by use of integrating factor. The linear equations are of this form: dy dx plus dy equals to q. So from this equation, this is always the integrating factor, and the solution of this kind of equation is given by y times integrating factor equals to the integral of q dot integrating factor dx. So this is the solution of these linear equations. So when we be given equation like this, ours is to identify the integrating factor, and we must know that integrating factor is given by exponent integral of b dx. Now from this information, from here we shall realize that our p equals to, it will be -1, then our q equals to x. So if p is equals to -1, then we now need to get the integrating factor. The integrating factor is given by this. So first of all, we get the integral of p. Integral of p dx, this equals the integral of p is -1, then dx. So this equals to, when you integrate -1, then we shall be able to get negative x. Therefore, the integrating factor will be equal to exponent minus x. That is the integrating factor. So once you get the integrating factor, then we are saying that the solution is given by this. This is the solution. So we have y times integrating factor, which is exponent minus x, is equals to the integral of q is x, times integrating factor, which is exponent minus x, then dx. So once we have this, we now need to integrate. So we shall say that y dot exponent minus x equals to, so we shall integrate this by use of by the use of the integration by parts. Integration by part is given by uv equals to uv minus integral of v du. Now this will be our x, will be our u, and exponent minus x will be our dv. Therefore we shall say u equals to x, so du dx will be equal to 1. Therefore du equals to dx, and dv equals to exponent minus x. So for us to get the value of v, we integrate this equation on both sides. So when you integrate dv, you get v equals to, when you integrate minus exponent minus x, you get minus exponent minus x. So once we have this, we now insert in the integration by parts formula, which is uv minus that. So we shall say that y dot exponent minus x equals to, now our u here is x, our v is exponent minus x, then minus integral of our v is now minus exponent minus x, du equals to dx. So this equals to minus x exponent minus x, minus this comes, it will be positive, so the integral of exponent minus x, then dx. This equals to minus x exponent minus x plus, so when you integrate exponent minus x, you get minus exponent minus x, then plus a constant of integration, plus a constant of integration. Therefore we are saying we are saying that y dot exponent x equals to minus x exponent minus x minus exponent minus x plus a constant of integration. So y alone equals, we divide through by exponent x, so we have minus x exponent minus x minus exponent x plus c over exponent x. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Solve x dy dx plus y equals to x cubed. Solution. Now this is a linear equation and we must write this equation in this form: dy dx plus py equals to q. So for us to write this equation in this form, we divide through by x, so that now the equation becomes dy dx, then plus, so we have 1 over xy equals to x cubed all over x. So here so dy dx plus 1 over xy equals to, when you divide through by here by x, you remain with x squared. Now from this equation, our p equals to 1 over x, and then our q equals to x squared. So we are able to, and we have said that this is our integrating factor, and then the solution of this kind of equation is given by y dot integrating factor equals the integral of q dot integrating factor dx. So this is the solution of this kind of equation, and we have again said that the integrating factor is given by exponent integral of b dx. So from this equation we can be able to carry the integrating factor. So our p, we are saying that p equals to 1 over x, therefore integral of p dx equals the integral of 1 over x and then dx, which equals to, so when you integrate 1 over x you get ln of x, therefore integrating factor equals to exponent ln of x, which equals to x. Remember, we are saying that exponent ln of x equals to x because exponent ln of a function will always be equal to a function itself. Therefore, exponent ln of x will be equal to x. Once we have the integrating factor, which is x, then we come and substitute in this equation. So it will be y dot integrating factor, which is x, is equals to the integral of q is x squared dot integrating factor, which is x, and then dx. So y dot x, or y times x, will be equal to, so x cubed times x squared times x, you get x cubed, then dx. So y dot x, or y times x, equals to, when you integrate x cubed, you get x raised to 4 all over 4 plus a constant of integration. Therefore, y equals to x raised to 4 all over 4, we divide through by x, plus c all over x. So from here you can say that y equals to, so this will be x raised to 3 all over 4 plus cx raised to negative 1. Thank you for watching.